Gone with the Gale. Today, I went to John Chesnut Park again. Every time I go there, I see something new. Pinellas County, Florida is the most densely populated county in Florida. And sometimes you just need to find a way to find a little space, find a little peace. For me, John Chesnut Park is one of those places. And that's why I never tire of taking a walk here. I'm going looking for alligators. Want to come along? I've got my handy sidekick Veronica here with me and my husband Steve. Let's go see what we can find. What you may not be able to see, it's just off camera to the right, is this squirrel eyeing up the nut that's sitting on the railing. I left the camera set as it was to capture what was to happen next. If you look at the right side of the screen, just in the middle, you can see the squirrel checking out the nut. Stay. If you watch the tree directly at the end of the railing, you can see the squirrels playing. Here comes a red-headed woodpecker and then a blue jay to steal the nuts away from the squirrels. There's one right there, there's one up there, and there's 3 squirrels. Here's a few close-ups of the red-headed woodpecker. They were very quick. As soon as I turned the camera off, a bright red cardinal came and sat on the branch right next to me. Now you can kind of see why this is my favorite place to come.
Watch for wildlife. This park provides habitat for native Florida species, which may include potentially harmful animals, such as alligators, venomous snakes, and coyotes.
And just over the rail, just where I pointed, you'll see something fun. Alligators!
There's a there. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 of them? 6. There's a big one in the woods, in the marsh there. See it?
These are all juvenile or baby alligators, no more than maybe 4.5 or 5 feet in length. They're very small, very light. We're on a raised boardwalk, so we're safe. However, Mama is supposed to be about 8 feet long. I've never seen her, but I did hear her. That sound that's almost like a fart is actually a larger alligator calling. As we were getting ready to leave, I saw some deer at the edge of a clearing.
There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 deer right there. See, there's 1, 2. There's 2 right there. And 3 over there. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to end the video here with a few still shots of the deer that I saw at the end of the day. Thanks for watching, and if you liked what you see, please click the subscribe button so that I know you liked it.
Thanks for watching.